O metrang ba kejelau Conrad ke sangma mentak sengi ke apu pratrik leba aja punriu rasai lai pulak tengka Sbuk na ke Chief Minister Special Development Fund da banok senyang sia ke jingraki dap sispa san pos Snem ke Shnong Lawjynriew Shillong ya kan iula penbenam tak sengi haba pli ke jingraki ya kan ke jing dap sispa san pos Snem ke Shnong ha ke jing yai enti jongka o Conrad ro ajing yaro ya ke jing nok senyang ke do ba Shnong kirang ba Shnong na kebenta ban wanra ya ke syong suk syong san bat ban je terang bat kesoka ban pentelun ye ki kam hagi babun ki benta kum hakapua bawan hirt ma COVID-19 hakan ni ke program la don lang ru MLA ke thai ba Charles Pengrup UMDC update ru CM ga ke HDC ba Winston Tony Lingdo Minister soka jela uba la kemen remboi nalo ki nongkit kam Shnong ki samla ba ki nong Shnong.
A toast to 150 years of heritage, unity and progress, and here's to the next 150 years of even greater achievements.
And I'm happy to inform you that I have decided that from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, to mark this wonderful occasion, I will be contributing 30 lakhs from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund for this particular purpose. Also, for many, many years, we have been trying as a government to improve the overall facilities in different localities. Many programs have been started by us, but as we all know, that the government alone cannot do it. I must, on record, mention the contribution of all the Rangba Shnongs, all the localities and the leaders and the citizens. Their support during difficult times like the pandemic of COVID-19, like different situations of law and order, where without the community's participation, it is impossible for us to manage situations. Ni be, upholding our foundation roots and striving towards our vision. I hope that generations to come will uphold it in their hearts, leaving behind footprints of honor for those who follow.
Of Long Bhalang and a revered elder of our community. Sri Mampao has been a pillar of wisdom and guidance for generations. His life exemplifies dedication, humility, and service to the community. I request our respected chief guest, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, in presence of all other dignitaries, to please present the felicitation to Sri Pal Singh Mampao.
The commitment to education runs deeper still. The Nepali School, S. Ferrando Memorial School, Morning Star College, Yaikantev College, Dinet Manik's AIM School, these institutions have served not just Lawjynriew, not just Meghalaya, but the nation as a whole.
Land ownership increase. The Kharbungwar clans who lived here long before registered the land called Lawjynriew under the Million Inship on the 7th February 1876. At that time, there were only 3 households in our locality. Therefore, we celebrate 150 years of Lawjynriew from this date. From such a small beginning, our Shnong has grown into the strong and united community we see today. Before we had